Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Let it go, let it go.
That should be better. Thank you for the reminder. Good morning, everyone. We're looking at BTC/USD. Trying to go red to green, hovering around that 47. Depending on which one you're looking at, we're looking here at Coinbase data. It's 48,112.69. Is going to be the old support level. Sorry about that. And still trying to hold that 47,508.01 support and resistance. Right up there to 48,336.41 for BTC/USD. Moving on to Ethereum, ETH/USD. Ethereum is down 1.21% for the morning. And let's have a look here at support right down there on that pivot low previously, and we also get support on that 100-day moving average. So Ethereum looking pretty strong down here. So we're going to be scouting a bounce as the RSI heads into the oversold. So we're looking at support to hold up at the 3126.29. And close by there is your resistance level at 3218.46. Moving on to Cardano, that's ADA/USD. And we are looking down at 2.641 is support level. And we got an extra line in there. What do we got here? Okay. 2.647 support and resistance. That's the one I had in there. Okay. There we go, 2.8050. And let's put that support back where it belongs. There we go. And let's move on to Doge. We're off to a slow start here, folks. Need myself some coffee. So Doge is getting back down to about a week or so ago's low. So we're looking at support to hold at the 0.2847. And resistance slightly adjusted will be the 0.2951. Moving on to PolkaDot, DOT/USD, it's down 0.17%, 0.18. Somewhere in that vicinity, we're trying to hold that support level right there at the $25 mark. So 25.01 support, and resistance is at the 25.936. On to BNB/USD. BNB is up 1.64%, so it's already done its red to green thing. Support held at the 469.23. So we're going to got our new support level now at the 475.153. Scratch that. And let's go back to resistance is going to be right there at the 484.639. On to SOL/USD. Solana down 4% for today. So it did pass through that 50-day moving average. So let's look back here and find that new support level for you. Right there it'd be 66.791. And resistance is 72.8171. Moving on to Litecoin LTC/USD. Down 0.5%. So Litecoin holding steady here as we move into our Wednesday. We're looking at support at the 172.55. And resistance level is now at the 175.30. On to Ethereum Classic, ETC/USD. We have support at the 62.098. Resistance at the 62.954. Moving on to MATIC. It's down about 0.5%, 0.68. You want to be near accurate. And there's your support level. We'll split this candle right here, but I'm thinking it's going to be right there on the 1 hour. $1.4362 is your support. We'll switch back to the 4 hour for resistance. And we are testing that high right now as we speak at the 1.47. So 45 cent difference there on MATIC. Moving on to XLM USD. Well, let's get that support level dialed in for you. We're looking at support to hold at the 0.3403 and resistance gonna be right there at the 0.3503 on the Vechain VET USD. Support clearly on that 100-day moving average at the 0.1200 and resistance at the 0.1248. Wrapping up the large caps with FIL USD is down 0.42%. And support level going to be down there to 73.081 and resistance back at you at the 74.91. Heading on into the crypto small caps, we'll start out here with IOTA, Internet of Things. And we are looking down at support. Almost got down to that 200-day moving. That would have been a bounce of all time right there. But we are looking at support to hold at that $1 mark. Right down there. You saw we went down and tested that thing. And passed. And we're looking at resistance at the 1.060. On the BAT USD, it's down 1.03%. Looking for BAT to hold the 0.7927 as support, and resistance going to be right there at the 0.8251. Heading on over to NMR USD. It is up almost 1% for today. Nice double bottom right there. The technical traders jumped all over at 42.443. And resistance back through the 43.392. Head over to Storj, STORJ USD, down 2.80% for today. Lots of support right there at the 1.269 area, and resistance going to be at the 1.3079. Let's have a look at NU USD. So we are looking at support at the 0.2922 and resistance up there at the 0.3032. Moving on into the Defi tokens, we'll start out here with Uniswap UNI USD. Looking down at support at the 26.0384 and resistance going to be right there at the 27.1291. On to LINK. Chainlink down. No, it's actually up 1.11%. I'll get it right. 3 attempts. Support at 25.538 and resistance going to be right there at the 26.292. Moving on to Aave, AAVE USD. It's down 2.22%. And let's zoom over here and see where that's coming from. There it is, right there. So we're looking at support to hold up at the 292, I should say, and resistance coming back through. Watch out for 381.11. Moving on to the graph token, GRT USD. It's up 0.11%. Still holding support from last night, so we got the 0.9117 for support, and resistance still going to be down here at the 0.9499 on the comp. COMP, so some of these names going red to green right now as we stream this live for you. So be on your toes this morning. Comp support 421.375. Resistance going to be right down there at the 431.630. On to MKR USD. Holding support at 3589.93 and resistance very close by 3617.443. On to MANA USDC. It's up 2.46%. Mana is. Man, I'd like to see that go up. There's your plan for the day there. 0.8647 is your support level. Resistance is at the 0.8860. NFT land, here we go. Theta, THETA, USD down 1.36%. Support 6.921. Resistance. Get that out of the way. And we have resistance for you as we try to get back through all these moving averages above us here at $7.10. On the CHZ USD, down exactly the same as Theta, is down 1.52%. You got your support level right there at the 0.3555. And didn't want to grab that. Would rather grab this. There we are. And resistance at the 0.3782. Head and look at audio, down 2.88% for today. Have support for you at the 2.5858. Resistance should be very close by. There we are, 2.822. On to ENJB USD, down 1.79%. We have support sitting there at the 1.8374. Resistance now at the 1.8731. Having a look here at Harmony 1, that's ONE USD. Support level is 0.1040. And resistance there at the 0.1094. Check it in on the SHIB, SHIB USDT. SHIB dropping all the way down to the 50725 support. And got some running room up here as we looked left. And there's your resistance, 50746. On to ICP USD, down 1.61%. We are going to look at support down there at the 57.408 and resistance at the 59.639. Head on over to AMP, AMP USD, down 1.51%. AMP giving back all those gains exactly, all the way up, all the way back down. So elevator up, stairs up, elevator down. And meanwhile, we have support at 0.0600 and resistance going to be now right there at the 0.0611 CRO USD. CRO, we have support down at the 1.1475. Let's get the point in there. My point is Get the point in there. And just up above here, we have resistance 0.1540. Wrapping her up here with AVAX USD down 11.68%. So we have support at the 48.467. And got to get back through this resistance right there at the 51.479. Let's take a quick peek here at the crypto market caps, BTC.D here on TradingView. Bitcoin is up 0.23% in market cap in size. So basically it's 44.51% of the market cap. Ethereum 18.30%, down 0.5%. ADA down 1.59% at 4.26. And the Doge shedding off a little bit more at 1.86. Total crypto market cap still remains above the 2 trillion. And that's where we stand for today, folks. Thank you for joining me. Let's hit you with the brainwash on the way out. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and we'll see you tonight at the Crypto Happy Hour.
Hey there. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Let it go. Let it go.